Alright, wish me luck. I finally got a hammer. I better take a knife with me. Oh. Do another cut or two. The last thing I want to do is to rip out. Okay, it seems like it's loose though. So let's try it. Not that loose. Okay, that broke cleanly so far. That's good. Okay, that's good. Nice. So far, so good. I'm making a holy mess in here. Won't be easy because it's enclosed. This was the easiest part of it, I think. Or that happens. Spectacular. Yeah. Clean lines. Believe it or not, clean lines. Who would have... Okay, we did it! Oh my gosh! And I didn't even damage... No, I didn't. That's better than I expected. So, of course, we got to clean up all this stuff now. We got to take all these things out, all these nails out of here. And we have to, yeah. But, it's a start. We got the section cleared. This section, drywall, the insulation looks like it hasn't been damaged. So we don't have to pull that insulation out. We just have to put the insulation back in for the night and cut a piece of drywall and we're good. This went better than I expected. I expected it to go much worse. So, yeah, we're good, guys. I'll see you soon when we get to the next part, which is hopefully getting it back in again. We got that section on the other side of the ceiling to do, but I'll do that off camera because we already saw what I've done and I'm going to do the exact same thing for the next section. So, yeah, I'm very pleased how this went. Now I'm going to get down. It banged the wall pretty bad, but I don't think it damaged anything. I'll just double check. Nope, wall's not damaged. That came down spectacularly. Wow. Insulation looks intact, which is great news. So the damaged insulation was more in the center there. That's good. Okay, put the new insulation in for the night, and we're good. So I got to take out, there's nails all around here, I got to take all that out, but we're really close to being able to install new drywall once we get the installation going. Alright, live long and prosper, talk to you real soon.